This is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G model, and today we will demonstrate how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, you need to somehow get to the Wi-Fi settings page. The quickest and most convenient and universal way to do that is by opening the notification center, which you can do by swiping downwards from the top part of your screen. In here, find the Wi-Fi shortcut, long press. At the Wi-Fi settings page, choose what network you would like to share the Wi-Fi password of. I'll go with the one I'm currently connected to, then tap on this gear icon, and at the network details page for the particular Wi-Fi network that you have chosen, at the bottom left corner of your display, you'll see this QR code icon, which you can tap on, and from here, all that is left to do is to simply scan this QR code with another device that you were to share the password with, and the mentioned device will be automatically connected to the chosen network. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.